Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I've been getting a lot of questions about how can you restore perfect posture, or what movements can you do to improve your posture. And so today I thought I'd talk about what can we do to get good posture. Well, so the very first thing you can do, and this might sound crazy, but if you do this, it will actually, I think it can change your life. But the quickest way, or the best way maybe, to start restoring posture is to simply keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And I know that's crazy, but that's where the tongue is designed to be. And just doing that alone will help improve your posture. It'll help you breathe better. It'll make you stronger. It's crazy, but that's our design. So, and if you don't know where your tongue should be, all you gotta do is, or all you have to do, I'm sorry, I'm from the South. All you have to do is swallow and feel where your tongue goes. So it should go on the roof of your mouth behind your top teeth. And if you learn to hold your tongue there, it'll just change your life and it'll make it better. And just so you know, people that don't keep their tongue on the roof of their mouth tend to be mouth breathers, and mouth breathers tend to have forward head carriage. So their head is out in front of their body instead of up over their shoulders. So simply by pulling your tongue up and putting it on the roof of your mouth is almost like pulling your head back over your shoulders. So Mama was right. Hold your tongue. If you can't say anything nice about anyone, don't say it at all. And in not saying anything not nice, you actually improve your posture. It's kind of weird. So that's the one thing you can do. But another thing you can do is rock. So when you're a child, and when you're an adult, when you get on all fours as a child, this is where we set the curves of our spine. This is where we get our cervical curve and our lumbar curve. So simply by rocking back and forth, we can start to help our body remember where those curves are supposed to be. We can turn on our stabilizers, which are reflexive. They hold our spine and our other joints so that our body can move with our prime movers. All of that to say is, when we rock back and forth on our hands and knees, we turn some really good things on and we allow our body to move the way it should. Now, if we're rocking back and forth on our hands and knees and keeping our tongue on the roof of our mouth and breathing out in and out through our nose, we've got a really good place to start to restoring good and optimal posture. Okay? So it is that simple, and it is also that weird. But holding your posture in certain ways to try to keep good posture, that's not the design. The design of your body is that your posture is automatically reflexive to how you're moving and what you need to do. So if you want to restore your posture, learn how to keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth, learn how to breathe in and out through your nose, and as often as you can, when you think about it, just rock a few minutes every day. And that is a great place to start when it comes to restoring your posture. All right? I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.